So today we've got a Inca Gold HK GTS Monaro. Now you would have seen last week we did the HK GTS Bathurst unrestored 44,000 original miles on that car, and that car is going to be sold too. So have a look at that video from last week, the blue one. It's a really cool car, and it's quite a contrast to what you see here today. So today this is not, we've actually detailed this car thoroughly and comprehensively, but in saying that, it is a restored car, and it's more about just fine tuning the paintwork and just doing general maintenance and cleaning. So as you would see, we will take out some of the sanding marks in isolated areas. That's sort of the main objective, and then give it a nice refining stage on the polish, and then follow through and take out any old compound. We treat all the rubbers and seals on the car because they're quite new and dry. We obviously polish all the trim, the chrome, and give the interior and the engine bays, obviously they get quite dusty and dirty when they're in shops and stuff like that. So it's just pretty much trying to hand the car over like that to the customer. So that's it, they can pull it away, and then when they're ready they can take the car out. So yeah, it's not a massive detail on our behalf. It's still a 2 to 3 day detail, but this is probably the majority of what we do here. And I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys too, because last week you would have saw the unrestored car, and this week you get to see pretty much the same vehicle but in a restored condition in I believe the colour is Inca Gold, which is quite a rare colour. It's got the red interior. It's originally, I think it's buckskin or beige interior, but the owner's chosen to go down the red vinyl route, which I think is a better option. It's got the trusty old 5 litre in it, and that engine bay is quite nice and concourse style detail as well. So it's just another really nice car to have on the channel, really nice car, and again, like, it's just a contrast to what we had in last week. So it was a great opportunity to show you both cars sort of almost back to back. It's not, we didn't do that on purpose, it's just coincidence, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Just trying to think of anything else we've done on here that's sort of out of the ordinary. Yeah, I can't think of much, pretty much straightforward detail for us, and yeah, just wanted to show you guys, and hopefully you can enjoy it as much as we did. So yeah, thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.